we're going to see Paul Mitchell Awapuhi Keratin rinse with ginger. And yes, guys, I think I'm just going to do this. And yes, I really like that it comes with the bubble wrap. And I never used this rinse before, so that's why I kind of got a trial size, but it actually comes in a larger size as well. And yes, so here it is. And yes, guys, Keratin cream rinse, Detangle Revive. And yes, I really like to smell all of the products that I get, and I really like that it actually protected with a piece of black tape on top. So I'm not going to open it this way, I'm just going to smell it like this. Wow, it kind of smells like ginger mixed with bubble gum, which I think going to be a very, very refreshing smell on your hair, right? Because I feel 50% of your perfume and flair is what's in your hair, right? So that's definitely a great thing. And yes, guys, it is for all hair types, and you can instantly soften, condition, and detangle hair with the moisturizing power of Awapuhi. And it's called Keratriplex. Is an exclusive blend of keratin protein. It helps repair every strand and protect against damage, so hair feels silky, healthy, and shiny. And the directions are: apply generously to hair from root to top, massage, and rinse. So yes, guys, super excited to try my Paul Mitchell Awapuhi, and I hope that all of you would be able to experience a silky, vibrant hair.